Cooking Show. It's the Isley Cooking Show. It's the Isley Cooking Show. Welcome to the Isley Cooking Show. Today my guest is Gami.
Yay! I'm so happy to be here with you today, Isley. I'm so excited. So today we're going to make Kasha Varnishkes. And that's something that my mother, Anna Lee, used to make. It was so delicious. Have you ever had Kasha Varnishkes, Isley?
No.
You never had? Can you say Kasha Varnishkes?
Gami is Kasha Varnishkes.
I said it wrong.
For this recipe we need roti noodles. We're also going to need kasha. What even is kasha?
It's a grain.
We're also going to need bouillon, salt, pepper, butter, and eggs. 2 giant onions.
So let's start cooking, right? All right, so the first thing we need to do is we need to cut the onions, okay? Yours, that's mine. And let's make a little cut in the onion. I'm not crying yet.
Cover your eyes, kids.
My mother, she loved to make this recipe. She loved it. It was so delicious too. We would always have the Kasha Varnishkes with brisket too, and it was my favorite dinner.
Mommy, tell me about this dish.
So my mother, your great-grandmother, Annalie, used to love to make this dish. She would make it all the time. She would make it with brisket, and we had it for dinner. After dinner, I would often go in the refrigerator and eat more of it because it was so delicious.
I wish I would eat dinner with salt.
I wish to.
Next step is boiling hot water on the stove. Okay, all the onions are chopped. Good job, Gami. The next step is jetting some butter on the stove.
And then we're going to caramelize the onions.
Like this. Looks like a popsicle. Which was it melt?
Let's put the onions in now that it's melted. So give it a good stir. Oh, it's already getting yellow. Can you see that? So we're going to lower the heat now so that we can cook it for a really long time.
Roll and fold. How long do you want it to cook for, Gami?
Like 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes.
Wow, that's a long time. Now we're gonna measure 1 1/4 cups of kasha.
And this is the line right there. Kasha, kasha, kasha. Oh, I think we're good.
It feels like sand. We're gonna add 1 egg into the kasha and mix it until it's all coated.
Kasha, kasha.
Lots of kasha. Kasha feels like sand.
Kasha, kasha in my hand.
We're gonna put this mixer into a chiller until this egg gets really dry.
It's almost melted. Then we'll pour the kasha in. Probably going to take about 2 minutes.
Now it's a big clump, so now we have to mix it up. Usually we cook the roast, so this is our savory dish.
I think we're about ready to take it off the heat. What do you think? Get this. I'll stir the onions and you stir the kasha.
It feels so good.
It just smells just like Annalie's kitchen.
What else can you tell me about Annalie? Daddy used to call Annalie.
So Daddy and Uncle Ari and Uncle Justin used to call Annalie Mama. And they used to call my daddy Papa. So they were Mama and Papa. They would have loved you if they met you.
Have to wait a little bit for the onions to cook. Let's have a dance break.
Yeah!
Okay, we're back. How does onions do on Gami?
They look good. They look caramelized.
The next step is adding the Kasha mix to the onions on the top.
So we're adding the kasha to the onion.
You have to add 3 cups of water and 2.5 bouillon cubes.
The bouillon. And I'll give it a mix. A little salt, good job. A little pepper.
When we mix it up again.
But we're gonna cover it, and then we're gonna wait about 10 minutes.
While that's cooking, we're gonna finally cook the pasta. Check the pot of boiling water. The water's boiling. Let's add all these pretty bow tie noodles. How long do we have to cook the noodles for?
Well, let's make it al dente, which is a little hard. About 10 minutes.
Set a timer.
Okay, let's set a timer. Isley, you want to learn some Yiddish words?
Let's learn Yiddish!
Okay, so how about the word mensch? You say that.
Mensch.
So that means a good person. Are you a mensch?
Yes.
You are a mensch.
I'm a mensch.
So how about Otakaker? Can you say that?
Otakaker.
You know what that means? An old person. Am I an Otakaker?
My dad is.
I have a good Yiddish word first. I'm verklempt. Verklempt. Can you say that?
Again.
Verklempt me like, oh, I forgot what I was going to say. I'm confused.
Daddy, you always forget.
So here's a funny one that I shouldn't be teaching you, but it's really funny. Gay kakin yum. Can you say that?
Gay cock and yum.
You know what it means? Do you want to go poop in the ocean?
That's potty talk, Danny.
Here's one that pertains to our meal. Geshmak. You know what that means? Delicious.
It's ready.
Okay, let's drain the pasta now.
How is this working, Danny?
It looks good. It's not fully absorbed yet. When we put the noodles in, it'll be perfect.
The last step is adding the noodles to the pasta. Mix it up.
There's the kasha. Oh, this looks very familiar. Just like Annalie used to make. Smells like nostalgia.
I'm excited, it looks so good.
It does. I think it's ready now. Should we put it in a bowl?
Yes.
Smells good, doesn't it? Ah.
It's so good, I want to eat it.
Now we need to add some finishing touches. We'll add some salt and some pepper. We'll have some chives, and we'll also do a lemon zest.
Mix, 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 mix. Let's have a taste test. Come on in, Todd and Daddy.
Did you make this ice?
I've been wondering what that good
Grammy?
smell is. Oh, that is so good.
They're really good.
Cheers! Kasha Varnishkes!
Thanks for watching the Yummm Cooking Show. I'll see you next time.